Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and I hope you guys are having a great day today because I have an awesome video for you. We're going to go over 11 freebies. We've got a picture book, we've got cash coming to us, and we have free school supplies. So before we get started, you guys know what to do. If you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help my channel grow. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys. So please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so for the first freebie that I have for you all today is coming to us from P&G Good Everyday Rewards. Now, if you're not quite sure what P&G Good Everyday Rewards is, or if you haven't signed up yet, I'm going to give you a quick rundown. Basically, it's a rewards program for when you purchase P&G products like Gain, Tide, Swiffer. There's a lot included. You can submit your receipt to this website, and they're going to give you 50 points back on each P&G product that you've purchased. And then you can either turn those points into gift cards, or you can actually redeem your points and make a donation toward one of the causes that they support. Or you can use your points to enter into a sweepstakes for your chance to win a really cool prize. Or you can even use your points on digital subscriptions. There are a ton of ways that you can use those points, but you can even earn extra points by referring your own friends. P&G will give you your own referral link. You can share that out over your social media, and you can earn extra points that way. Like I said, you can scan your receipts and earn points on the P&G products that you purchased, and they give you surveys to take as well, and you will earn extra points that way too. And also, another perk to signing up with the P&G Good Rewards program is that they do offer printable coupons. So I know that there are several of you out there who do not receive the Gain coupons in your area. Here is a way that you can get those. So they're free to print. I do think that you have to use them within 24 to 48 hours of printing them, so be careful about that. But just keep that in mind whenever you're trying to do a Gain deal, that those are available on the P&G Good website. Alright, so hopefully you guys have a pretty good overview of what the P&G Good Rewards program is. Now let's get into this freebie. Now, when you sign up for the P&G Good Rewards program, they will send you emails, and you definitely want to check those. Make sure they don't go into your spam folder because they do have special offers every now and then for free items. So I was scrolling through my emails this morning and I found an email from P&G Good Rewards, and it said open up your account, answer 4 questions, and get a free 8x8 hardcover book from Shutterfly. So here's what you guys need to do in order to get this freebie. First, you need to check your email and see if you have that same email that I received. And it is from P&G Good Rewards. So be on the lookout for that. Or you can just sign in on your P&G Good Rewards account. That's what I ended up doing. I didn't have a link through the email or anything. I just went and signed in, and then right at the top was a survey for me to click on. I clicked on that, answered 4 simple questions. It maybe took about a minute, and then they're going to send you another email, and it's going to have the code for the free 8x8 book from Shutterfly. So what you're going to want to do after you receive your email, and I received mine within a couple of minutes. It didn't take very long at all. Check your email, copy that code that they gave you, and then head on over to shutterfly.com. Then you're going to choose your 8x8 hardcover photo book, choose the pictures that you want to put in it, and then at checkout, you're going to enter that code that P&G Good Everyday Rewards gave you, and then check out, and then you are good to go. There is a free 8x8 photo book on its way to you, and you didn't even have to leave the house. So moving right along to our second freebie of the day, how does some free cash sound to everybody? That sounds pretty good, am I right? So some of you may have already heard about this website. It is called topclassactions.com. They list all of the top class action lawsuits that are going on. I'm going to get tongue-tied with this one. But they list all of the current ones that are going on that you can apply to, and also ones that you can be on the lookout for so that you can follow lawsuits. And then if you know that you're going to be eligible for something, you can actually save that to your account, and it will update you and send you email updates as that lawsuit moves along through the process. So I'm going to tell you about one today, but like I said, they do have weekly email newsletters that they send out. And even if I don't open those up every single week, every time I do click on one and open it up and scroll through just to see what's going on, I'm always eligible for one. Every single time I've opened an email up, I'm eligible for one of those, settlements that are coming back. So make sure that you sign up. And even if you don't open them every single week, it may be worth it just to get a little bit of extra cash coming your way. Especially if you are couponing, you're buying name brand products all the time, and these big name brands get wrapped up in lawsuits all the time, and usually it doesn't make it on the news, but this is how you can find out about what's going on and how you can get some free money. So for instance, today we have Kellogg's cereal. So the Kellogg Sales Company has agreed to a $13 million settlement benefiting customers who purchase certain Kellogg's cereals. Now, I'm not going to go through and read you the whole article. You guys can go and do that on your own time, but I am going to give you the important part. So it is estimated that the average award will be about $16.09. However, the actual amount of each class member's award will depend on the number of claims made and the purchase history of each claimant. So the final hearing in the settlement is scheduled for November 18th, 2021. So what does that mean? That means that we're not going to get this $16 within the next couple of weeks, but that means that you will have money coming to you sometime after November the 18th. All right, so like I said, on a lot of these settlements, there is no proof of purchase necessary. On this one, they're going all the way back to 2012. So that's a long time ago. We don't have receipts from way back then. Okay, so they're still going to pay you even though you don't have the receipt. Here are the cereals that are included. It's Kellogg's Raisin Bran, Kellogg's Mini Wheats, and Kellogg's Smart Start. Now, they used to have it to where they would send you a check in the mail, and I have received those in the past, but for this one in particular, they're going to send you either a digital MasterCard to your email, or you can have it sent directly to your PayPal account. So here are the steps that you need to take, and I highly recommend you go and check out this website and scroll through there and see what else you're eligible for, because there are a ton of settlements going on right now that I think a lot of us are eligible for, and that's free money, okay? We don't even have to do anything for it. Just fill out a little form that takes 2 minutes, and then that money will be on the way. All right, so here's what you need to do is go down below and check the pinned comment. I have the direct link for the Kellogg's settlement linked down there. You're going to read the article and then click the link to file a claim. They're going to ask you to answer a couple of questions. Like I said, it took me about 2 minutes to get through the whole thing. And then, depending on which option you choose, I chose to receive a MasterCard in my email. But you're just going to sit back and you're going to wait until that money is deposited either into your PayPal or you receive that gift card. And while you're there, don't forget to sign up for the Top Class Action newsletter and be notified about new settlements every week. And like I said, we're all couponers here. We buy name brand stuff, so we are eligible for a lot of these settlements that come up. And all you have to do is fill out a couple of questions and then sit back and wait for your money to arrive. All right, guys, so for this next freebie, this is kind of a 9-in-1. We're going to get 9 freebies from the Ibotta app. Now, if you're not already signed up, I don't know what you're waiting on. We're going to talk about that in just a second. But Ibotta is offering a back-to-school free for all. So they're giving us 9 free offers, and it is super simple to get these offers and add them onto your account. So this is an awesome deal because we're going to get free back to school supplies and we're going to get some free snacks. So how do we get this offer? So there's kind of 2 ways that I've found. On the first time that I did it, it told me to switch to my computer, visit the website, and log in to unlock my offers. So that may be the way that it sends you. Now, I do have to say, there is a second way, apparently, because right before I did this voiceover here that I'm doing right now, I picked up my husband's phone and checked his Ibotta account, and whenever I opened up his app, it just kind of popped up right there. I think it said the Back to School Free-for-All, Learn More, and then the offers just popped up right on the screen, and all I had to do was click the check marks to add them to his account, and it was good to go. So I didn't even have to visit the website, but on my account, for whatever reason, it did say, go to the website and sign in to unlock those offers. So it may be either one for you. If it doesn't work the first way, try it the second way. So here are the freebies that we're going to get through Ibotta. So we're going to get a free Smucker's Squeeze Jelly. We're going to get free Kleenex tissues, which is amazing. We're also going to get a free 5-star 3-subject notebook and a 3-pack of the pink Pearl Paper Mate erasers. Next up, we have a free pack of Ticonderoga No. 2 pencils and a free loaf of Nature's Own sliced bread. Next up, we have a 4-pack of the yogurt smoothies, and we're getting free Skippy peanut butter. And then last but not least, we're going to get a free 4-pack of Del Monte fruit cups. Now, I know that a lot of you guys have already been to the store and you have saw those back to school supplies rolling in. So back to school season is officially here, and in the next couple of weeks, we're going to be finding the best deals and the best ways to save money on school supplies. I already have a Walgreens video planned out and a DG video planned out for next week, so we should have some really great deals coming our way. But the even better part is that Ibotta is going to help us out a little bit more because they're going to give us even more back to school offers on July the 30th. So make sure you're signed up, make sure you're checking your Ibotta account and adding those offers so that you don't miss out. So I am super excited to run to Walmart and get these freebies, but I am going to hold off and wait until Thursday evening or Friday, and I'm going to wait to see if I get a weekend warrior bonus. That way I can really stack up and maybe make a money-making deal, because this is 9 freebies, plus we have a lot more freebies in the Ibotta app, plus buy one, get one free stuff. We have coupon matchups, all kinds of good stuff. So this weekend should be a really great weekend if you like to go out and do these Ibotta bonuses. Now, if you're not already signed up for Ibotta, I don't know. I'm not sure what else I can say to convince you that you need to go and sign up at this point, because they're giving you 9 free items right there. And there are a ton more freebies in the app and buy one, get one free offers as well. So if that didn't convince you to go and sign up, I don't know what will. But I can sweeten the deal just a little bit more for you, because Ibotta does have a $20 welcome bonus. And if you use my referral code, which is on the screen here, as well as in the pinned comment down below, you will become a part of my team and we can start earning monthly rebates together. Now, if you want to just go and download the app and use my referral code, you can do it that way. Or I have a direct link down in the pinned comment below, so you can just click on that and it'll take you directly to it, and you can skip all of the referral codes and all of that good stuff, okay? So I made it super simple and easy for you. Definitely go and sign up. You do not want to miss out on these offers, and even if you are new and you're just signing up, these will still apply for you. This will still pop up and you can still click and add these onto your account. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys go out there and get all 11 freebies. Now, before you go, you guys know the deal. If you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. It is a huge way that you can help me out and help my channel grow. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, or if you're a new subscriber and you want me to know, please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, hope you have a great day. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.